Okay, in this video, we're going to check out audio and all the audio opportunities in Filmic Pro. The reason I recommend Filmic Pro the most out of any app I have ever played with or used professionally, Filmic Pro is pretty much one of the only apps that allows you to have external microphones. There are very few apps that do that. Filmic Pro's always been one ahead of everybody. And so that's a key thing when you're trying to capture great audio when shooting video. It also allows you to monitor the live audio when you're recording. And so if you see down below really quick before you get into anything, you'll see this green bar bouncing. In the iPhone 10 and above, you're going to see two bars on the right that are going up and down for audio meters. And these are just the audio meters. And so if you see the little white line over here, that is my gain. So I can bring it down, I can keep it up, I can change the gain on it at any time. So that's nice to have as well. We're going to click in here and take a look at the audio section here. And right now, I'm getting audio from the iPad, the top mic on the iPad. It's in PCM format, so there's AIFF. There's all these formats, but just keep it as the default. It's fine. And 48K hertz is what you want. And then it allows you to do Bluetooth microphones, although I've not found a Bluetooth microphone that is worth really sounding great yet. From everything from your AirPods on up. Nothing's really sounding as great as real professional microphones, and I haven't found a Bluetooth one that has worked as of this video. Automatic gain correction, you can have that on or off. That means that if you're talking too loud, it'll correct it so that you don't blow everything out. So you can have that going on, does voice processing, etc. I usually leave just the gain correction on just in case. You certainly don't have to. And then here you can switch to different microphones here. So let's see if I can switch right now. It's not letting me. Let's see here. Oh, I think it's because I'm recording and using that microphone right now. For some reason, it's not letting me. But you would press that button. Let's say you have your Rode, Video Mic Pro plugged in. It's going to go in there and find that for you and know that there's a Rode Video Mic Pro, and it's going to say, do you want to select that for your audio or not? So one thing you need to do is when you're filming with an external mic, you want to go in there and make sure that it's connected to it. Now, one of the things I do recommend people to get is this little, I'm going to go in here, this little thing called the Rode, sorry, Commodus. It's called the Rode SC6. And this will plug into your headphone jack if you have it. If you don't have it, you would plug it into like an audio cable like this. This is for USB-C, but you would have a lightning one as well. And what this allows me to do now is I can plug in two sets of microphones if I wanted to. So if I had an interview or something, and then I can plug in my headphones here and I would be able to monitor everything. So if I was filming people that were discussing something, maybe they're on a show or a podcast, or you're doing some kind of a, I don't know, whatever, behind the scenes. But if you wanted to get two audios in, you could, and then you can monitor the audio as well. If it's too loud, you can go down right there and choose the gain and lower it as well.